My name is Ola Yomi Koike of Koike Media, and I'm using this opportunity once again to tell an average Nigerian, I understand your plight. You are angry, you're upset that some of us are outside and it looks like we are dictating, in terms of the breakup of Nigeria. Everybody knows that Nigeria is not going to work. It does not matter, your view in terms of those that are asking, for the dissolution or the breakup of Nigeria. Let me take you back through history. We were kingdom before the British government and the British colony and the empire came and destroyed those kingdoms. And that is why today, if you travel around the world, we still have some of our artifacts in United Kingdom, some of our artifacts as well in Europe. And the question we should be asking ourselves is, why are we so important that they've actually removed some of these artifacts and brought them down to Europe for people to come and watch them? This does not matter your feelings. For those of us that are campaigning, somebody like myself, and the rest of us that are campaigning, Professor Banji Akintoye and Dr. Oloye, Sunday Igboho, Professor Wale Adeniro, and our father, Babawa Ayiloge Banji. We are all asking for one thing. We've lived together in Nigeria for the last 62 years, and that unity doesn't seem to be working. That unity is literally, making the hell of a problem for us. And this is why we are now saying, why not let us allow each other to go, have a better nation, respect the rule of law, speak the same language, and we can run politics. But some of you are thinking that each of these three political parties will solve the problem. I can assure you that nobody can solve the problem of Nigeria, and the politician knows that. They have the majority. The northern part of Nigeria today have the majority. They have the majority, and that is why even if a Yoruba man becomes the president, there's no way he can run the country successfully with a fake 1999 constitution. Some of our senior advocates of Nigeria have spoken about this fraudulent constitution that was put together as a military decree. Should the northerner become the president, there will still be the subjugation, and they will still not be able to perform anything apart from, allowing the terrorism to continue. Under President Muhammadu Buhari, Nigeria became a more terrorized country. You cannot travel from one point of the country to the other. And the question is, for how long are we going to deceive ourselves? Even if Peter Obi becomes the president, there is no way he can make any changes. And I'm not sure you're going to vote for Omoyele Sowore. So the question then is, why not allow Nigeria to dissolve peacefully, and then we can have a better opportunity? This is Koike Media, bringing the world closer to your doorsteps. And I say once again, Yoruba nation is the only option. Have you not think about that? Biafra nation, the Arewa nation. We can still live side by side, just as countries around the world have divided and they are still living side by side. Once again, 60 million Yoruba people will not be able to remain in Nigeria because your life will remain under the subjugation, under the nepotism of the Fulani agenda. Koike Media, bringing the world closer to your doorsteps.